Reliable disinfection tunnels made in MIZOTTY Factory are designed for mass flow sanitizing of outerwear and open skin of a person. Disinfection is carried out by spraying a sanitizer to a finally dispersed state. Collectors with nozzles provide a uniform supply of sanitizer to the entire surface of a person's clothing. Tunnels are versatile and can work with various liquid disinfecting sprays. A motion sensor that responds to movement is installed at the entrance to the tunnel. When the sensor is activated, the signal is transmitted to the pump. It activates the bypass valve, and the antiseptic spray is supplied. The indication system allows to control the disinfection process. The equipment parameters are customizable and can be changed depending on the customer's requirements. Time of the disinfection cycle, disinfection modes, hydraulic system pressure, the time of switching to sleep mode. The equipment has the following benefits: absolutely safe for people's health, contactless disinfection, no curtains and no need to touch surfaces, 24-hour operation without interruptions, easy maintenance and high installation speed, universality and energy efficiency, minimum consumption of sanitizers. Disinfection tunnels from the MIZOTTY Factory are an effective solution for fighting against viruses and bacteria.